This is a quick tutorial on how to get added to your teacher's Google Classroom page. The first step is to go to google.com, and then in the top right, you're going to sign in. If you have any brothers or sisters, make sure you're logged out of their accounts so that you can log into your personal student account. Then you're going to enter in your email. If you have trouble remembering your email, make sure you contact your librarian, your media specialist, or admin at your school. Once you've logged into your Google account, you can go up to the top and click on the dial pad. It'll be to the left of your picture. Then you will click on Classroom. Another way to get here is just to type in the window classroom.google.com and it'll take you to the same place. Then you will click the plus button and you will add the class code that your teacher gave you. Maybe your class code is on your teacher's website. If so, copy, right-click, copy, and paste the code, and click Join. Now you are inside your teacher's Google Classroom page.